Garbage, 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 wait for it, garbage, 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 all garbage. Look. It's a fake. It's a facade. It's to look like something, but it cannot perform.
Hey guys, I'm at Home Depot in front of the Echo selection. You know what I like about Echo? When I'm in a canyon and you scream and whatever you say goes, hello, hello, hello. But with Echo, it's like this. It's broke, it's broke, it's broke. From the look of this, now look at the handle. Zoom in on this, Trace. Look at the handle. I really like the handle. It really looks tough. I mean, with the gray and the black and the orange in there, or a red. But when you go to put your hand on it, it's very uncomfortable. I mean, it is truly uncomfortable. It's nothing like the STIHL unit. And it may look good from the outside, but it's not functional. It's not going to help you. And again, when you're doing 4 and 5 hours, even if you're out there for an hour in your own lawn, it's ridiculous. I mean, it really, really is. And they're all the same. Look at all these units. It has the same handle, same handle, same handle. Uncomfortable, 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 uncomfortable. And what does that make me at the end of the day? It makes me miserable.